the 9th of March. Yesterday and today I got all my clothes and basically all the towels and sheets and all that stuff. Got all that washed. You know, got all the trash pretty much thrown away. I still have to get the dishes done, but you know, there's only so much you can do at certain, you know, sometimes it just doesn't, the motivation is probably the way I want to say it. The motivation, I'm sorry, just isn't there. So what are you gonna do? So we're going to this over. So we're going to straighten out the bed, redo the blankets so they lay properly. We're going to work on, you know, getting all the clothes out of the duffel bag, put up into the drawers. And we're going to tidy all that stuff up there up a little bit to make it a little more neat, a little more efficient. And we're going to see what we can condense, reorganize, or just throw away. And we're going to, like I said, just try to make things a little bit neater, a little bit cleaner, a little bit easier to use. Blah, 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 blah. But, you know, that's one of the things you just, you know, it just takes time to do. So we're going to put that there. We got a video uploaded today. We're going to get at least one more done today. We've been here for 23 hours. And it's just about 2 o'clock. So we've almost been here for 24 hours. We are going to be here until tomorrow. Yeah, 8 or 9 o'clock tomorrow, I guess. Yeah, we'll figure it out. Then we're going to head closer down to Houston. You know, get some places nice, pretty decently close. You know, that way we have a full day's work the next day on Monday. So, you know, we can get that off at around 7 a.m. and then we can get ourselves to our next location and, you know, get our next load, see where we're going from there, and then move on. I could technically just stay here until Monday morning, leave here around 4:30, get down to my receiver. But, you know, that's 2 hours, 2.5 hours I don't want to waste on Monday. I mean, I'm basically resetting my clocks on a full 70. So the 2-hour ride down to Houston, I'd rather do that tomorrow than on Monday. And then, like I said, we'll see what the load is. I do have some home time scheduled in 2 weeks. Going to the auto show in Atlanta. So we might do some video for that. Let's see, what else? Not much else doing today, you know. We are here at the Pilot, Lufkin, Texas. They got Jack in the Box across the corner. They got a Moe's inside. They got the Lone Star Family Restaurant right in front. You know, I've been here before. Not a bad place to stop. When I kind of figured out where I was stopping yesterday, you know, I could have stopped at the Love's just about less than a mile north of here. Could have pulled in there, but I'd rather get the Moe's, because I don't, there's only 6 pilots in the entire country that has a Moe's. So you have the one there in, where's it at? Down near Gulfport, Mississippi, there's one there. This one here in Lufkin's. The one in Sutton, West Virginia. And I can't remember where the other ones are, because to be honest, I don't know. But those are the ones I've been to, and the ones that that I pretty much have as marked as my favorites on the on my apps. Because how many times can you eat McDonald's, Burger King, Chester Chicken, Subway? How many times can you eat that stuff? And it's like, and when it comes to fast food, Moe's is probably one of my top ones. I wish that there were more Chick-fil-A's next to the truck stops. I mean, there's a couple around that are pretty close walking distance, but most of the time they're nowhere near where you can park. So Chick-fil-A is not always the easiest place to get to. But now there you go. So we're going to get ourselves in gear here and get some things done.